In this video, I will show you how to log into Roblox account on Xbox Series S or X. So let's jump straight into it. So of course the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've downloaded Roblox from the store, and once that's done you can go ahead and open this up. Now once you open this up you're going to be given a screen like this, and what you want to do is press the white continue button. From here it's going to ask you to either sign up or log in. So all you need to do is come down and press A on to log in. And what you can do is a QR code login, so you can scan the QR code from your logged in device's camera. Bear in mind if you do it this way, you do need to make sure you're logged into the Roblox app on your phone. Then what you can do is open up your camera, scan the QR code, and that's going to go ahead and log you in. Alternatively, what you can do is just log in manually with your username or password. Or what you can even do, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you can log in with another device using the quick login feature on Roblox. If you want to do it that way, what you're going to want to do is open your Roblox app on your device, and you want to go to the more page, then quick login to enter your code, and there's going to be a code down there at the bottom which you can enter to quick login. So in this example I'm just going to log in manually. So as you can see I've put my username and password into here, and what I'm going to do is come down and press the white login button. So as you can see it's currently logging me in. It just takes a minute or two to do this, but as you can see after a minute it's going to refresh, and you can see we're now on the main screen for Roblox. So that is how to log into Roblox account on the Xbox Series S or X. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.